Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. Today we're picking a winner for the yarn giveaway. That was the word right there, ANEMONE. And right now, Canada Post is still on strike since November 15th. We don't know when they're coming back. But whoever wins, I'm going to mail your parcel after they're back at work, and I will email a tracking number to you. So whoever wins, please email me. My email address is in the description box below. I've added a few goodies to the bag, some Canadian chocolate and notebook, pens, pencils, and some other stuff. All right, let's pick a winner. Where are we going? We're going over to this side. Right here, start. Aren't you excited? I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Make sure everybody congratulates the winner in the comments section. Thanks, I would appreciate that. And click like, thank you. All right. Who do we have? Going through the names. There we go. Wanda Bigelow, 9692. The anemone gathered in school. Great. Okay, congratulations, Wanda. Please email me as soon as you can. I'll give you 5 days. And today's what, December, what is it? Oh, it's December 4th, 2024. All right, I'll give you 5 days. Hope to hear from you within that time, and congratulations. Bye, everyone. Thanks for participating.